Hi, so this is Anna Soloviov, and I'm going to explain electromagnetic induction. So Faraday proved the link from magnetism causing electricity. He took a coil with a current and a magnet, and as he moved the magnet towards the coil, the galvanometer showed a deflection, which means a change in current. And as he moved it in the opposite direction, there was a deflection in the opposite direction, so a negative change in current. As he moved faster, the magnet inside, then the change in current was faster. And as he didn't move the current, there would be no change in current. So that proved that the change in the number of the magnetic field lines, which is the same as the magnetic flux, is going to cause or induce a current, so a change in current. So this proves how just using a magnet you can get more current. Now, is the current changes, if we look up here, changing one current can induce a change in another current. So if we have a current moving to the left, then we're going to have an electric field pointing into the page here. And as we increase that current, there's going to be an increase in the magnetic field into the page. But as systems don't like change, the magnetic field into the page is going to be cancelled out by the one out of the page. And we know that when you have magnetic field out of the page, the current would loop by the right hand rule again in that direction, anti-clockwise. So that is gonna induce the change in another current. And so now the applications of the electromagnetic induction, which is really based on this part, how you can get from magnetism to electricity, is for a hard disk, for example. We store data on the surface with like special magnetized area and in a special part, and so that when you have a coil by the spinning disk, it reads out the data through the change in magnetic flux and the change in currents. And another example is the transcranial magnetic stimulation, which is used in medicine to track the changes in electric activity and the change of how muscles are stimulated, basically. Thank you.